scooter accident.
Oh my God. Are you okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Don't move. Please stay still. Are you hurt?
Yes, I think so. My leg really hurts.
Okay, try not to move your leg. What happened?
I lost control of the scooter and fell.
I see. That must have been very scary. Are you feeling dizzy or sick?
No, I don't think so, but I'm in a lot of pain.
All right. Are you bleeding anywhere?
Yes, a little on my arm and my leg.
Okay, don't worry. I'm here with you. Can you move your fingers and your hands?
Yes, I can move them.
That's good. Please stay calm and try to breathe slowly.
Okay, I'm trying.
Did you hit your head?
No, I was wearing a helmet.
That's very good. Is anyone else with you?
No, I was alone.
All right. I saw the accident, so I came to help you. You're not alone now.
Thank you. I'm really scared.
I understand. It's normal to be scared. Help is coming soon.
Can you call an ambulance, please?
Yes, of course. I will call right now. Stay with me and don't move.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Everything will be okay.
Elevator stuck.
Oh no. Oh no. This is not good. My phone, there's no signal.
Hey, it's okay. Try to stay calm.
I can't. The elevator's not moving and my phone doesn't work.
All right, take a deep breath. We're safe for now.
I'm really scared. What if no one comes?
Someone will come. Elevators have emergency systems.
I tried calling, but there's no network at all.
That's normal inside elevators. Look, there's an emergency button here.
I didn't see that. Should I press it?
Yes, press it. Slowly.
Okay, I pressed it. What if it doesn't work?
It will work. Just wait a moment.
My heart is beating so fast.
I know. Try to breathe with me. In and out.
Okay, in, out.
Good. The elevator is not falling. It's just stopped.
Are you sure?
Yes. Elevators are very safe. We just need to wait.
All right, I feel a little better.
Good. Sit down if you want. I'm right here with you.
Thank you. I'm glad you're here.
No problem. We'll be out soon.
Phone lost.
Hey, I need help. I can't find my phone.
Okay, calm down. When did you last see it?
I had it about 20 minutes ago, but now it's gone.
All right, where were you before you noticed it was missing?
I was at a cafe, and then I walked home.
Okay, did you check your bag and your pockets?
Yes, I checked everything. It's not there.
All right, do you have another device with you?
Yes, I'm using my laptop right now.
Good. Let's try to track your phone.
Okay, I'm really panicking. My phone has everything.
I understand. Open the tracking app and log in.
All right. Okay, I see a map.
Can you see the phone's location?
Yes, it shows the cafe.
That's good. It means the phone is probably still there.
Oh, that's a relief.
Is the phone on silent or sound?
I think it's on silent.
Okay, you can still lock it remotely.
All right, I'm locking it now.
Good idea. Do you want me to call the cafe with you?
Yes, please. I'm too stressed to call alone.
No problem. We'll do it together.
Thank you so much. That really helps.
You're welcome. Don't worry, we'll find it.
Wi-Fi not working.
Hello, I'm calling because my Wi-Fi is not working. Hello, I'm sorry to hear that. Let me help you. Since when is the Wi-Fi not working? Since yesterday evening. It suddenly stopped. All right. Are you connected to the Wi-Fi network right now? Yes, I'm connected, but there is no internet.
I understand. Are other devices having the same problem?
Yes, my phone and my laptop are not working either.
Okay, let's check a few things together. Is the router turned on?
Yes, it's on, and the lights are blinking. Good.
Please try to restart the router.
All right, I'm turning it off now. Okay, and turning it back on.
Perfect. We will wait about 1 minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Let me know when the lights stop blinking.
All right. Okay, they stopped.
Great. Can you try to open a website now?
Let me check. Yes, it's working now. That's good news.
Is the connection stable?
Yes, it seems normal again.
Perfect. If the problem happens again, please call us.
All right. Thank you for your patience and your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Dating accident.
Hey, are you okay? You look a bit pale.
I'm not sure. I suddenly feel really strange.
What do you mean? What's wrong?
My heart is beating very fast, and I feel dizzy.
Okay, try to breathe slowly. You're safe. I'm here.
I think I'm having a panic attack.
All right, that's okay. Look at me and breathe with me.
I feel embarrassed. This is our first date.
Don't worry about that. Your health is more important.
My hands are shaking, and I feel like I can't breathe.
Okay, put your feet on the floor. Breathe in and out.
Okay, I'm trying.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll get some water. If you want, we can call for help.
No, I think I just need a moment.
That's fine. Take your time. We don't have to rush anything.
Thank you. I feel a little better now.
I'm glad. You did nothing wrong.
Missed flight.
Excuse me, please. I think I'm late. Is this the gate for Flight 318?
Yes, this is the gate. I'm sorry, but the gate is now closed.
Oh, so I missed the flight?
Yes, unfortunately.
What can I do now?
You need to go to the airline desk to rebook your ticket.
Is there another flight today?
Let me check. There is one later this evening.
Okay. Do I have to pay extra?
It depends on your ticket type.
All right. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I'm sorry about that.
Bank card declined.
Oh, I'm sorry. It says my card was declined.
No problem. Would you like to try again?
Yes, please. Oh, it still doesn't work.
Okay. Do you have another card or a different payment method?
No, this is my only card. One moment, please. I need to make a call.
Hello. I'm calling because my bank card was declined.
Hello, I can help you with that. Are you trying to make a payment right now?
Yes, I'm in a store and the payment didn't go through.
Okay, was the amount large or small?
It was a normal amount, nothing special.
All right, let me check your account. One moment, please.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Thank you. I see the problem. Your card was temporarily blocked for security reasons.
Oh, I see. Why was it blocked?
We noticed an unusual transaction earlier today.
Okay, can you unblock it now?
Yes, I can unblock it for you. Please confirm your identity first.
All right, what do you need?
Can you confirm your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your card?
Yes, it's the 12th of May and the last 4 digits are 2486.
Thank you. Your card is now unblocked.
That's a relief. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please try the payment again.
Hi, sorry about that. Can I try again, please?
Of course.
Great, it worked this time.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.